My baby. My baby. Baby had the most precious little hands. I used to make fun of them. I used to say, like, oh, the women dance like really small. And sometimes I think he got really insecure about it. I'm just so mean and everything. I don't deserve to live. I don't deserve to live. Not one piece of compassion from any of my subscribers, and I have nobody in my life. It's just, his hands were so soft, but they were also very hardworking. His hands were always, and I just want to feel his face. I ruined my life. I ruined my whole life. It is my fault. It is my fault. I feel exhausted. I feel exhausted. So exhausted. I am so tired. This is even recording. I'm so tired. I can't sleep. I wake up and I feel like I'm gonna have a heart attack. I just feel like my fate is coming around the corner. I just feel it. If you don't sleep, your heart will shut down. Your heart will shut down if you don't sleep. Did you know that? I am so tired. I am so tired. I'm so tired. And I'm all alone in here. And I just want to see him put my hands on my face.